My beloved child, I know there are days when hope feels like a distant light, so faint you wonder if it still exists. You wake with heaviness, move through the hours as if carrying invisible weight, and question whether tomorrow will be any kinder than today. You whisper prayers you're not sure I hear and look for signs that seem slow to arrive. But listen to me now, hope is not gone. It is simply resting, waiting for you to breathe again. Hope is not a spark you create, hope is a gift I place inside you. Even when your hands feel empty, the gift remains. Even when your heart feels tired, the flame still burns. You may not feel it, but I feel it for you. I hold what you cannot carry, and I protect what you think you've lost. Do you remember the seed buried in the ground? It disappears. It is surrounded by darkness. It breaks before it grows. But it is never dead, only becoming. You, my child, are that seed. Your silence is not the end. Your breaking is not the failure. Your darkness is not the grave. It is the place where I am shaping you for a life beyond what you can see. Hope does not always rise with loudness. Sometimes it comes softly, like morning light creeping slowly across the horizon. You don't notice the exact moment night ends, but suddenly, everything is brighter. That is how I work in you. Quietly, faithfully, constantly. You say, Lord, I can't see the way. I say, child, I am the way. You say, Lord, everything is falling apart. I say, nothing falls apart in my hands. You say, Lord, my heart is tired. I say, then rest in me, and let me breathe hope back into you. I know the desires you hide, those dreams you don't speak aloud because they feel too fragile. You think if you hope again and fall again, you will break beyond repair. But hear me, every disappointment you survived only proves that breaking is not the end for you. You rise because I lift you. You continue because I carry you. You move because my strength is woven into your soul. Hope isn't pretending everything is perfect. Hope is choosing to believe that I am working, even when everything looks impossible. Hope is opening the door when I knock, even if your hands are trembling. Hope is trusting that your story is not over, not even close. Look at the mountains. They were formed through pressure. Look at the diamonds. They were made in darkness. Look at the sunrise. It is born after the longest night. So it is with you. What feels overwhelming now will one day be the testimony that strengthens another heart. Your waiting is not wasted. Your pain is not purposeless. Your tears water the very ground where new beginnings will grow. I do not ignore your cries. I gather each one. I do not overlook your efforts. I honor every small step you take. I do not forget your prayers. I build answers in ways you cannot yet imagine. And when hope feels like a whisper, remember this. I never whisper my love. I declare it. I surround you with it. I breathe life into you with it. So hold on, my child, not with your strength, but with mine. Hold on, not because you see the future, but because I am already in the future, preparing it for you. Hold on, because hope is not leaving you, it is returning to you. And when it rises again, it will rise stronger, brighter, and more beautiful than ever before, because I, your Lord, am restoring it.